Hey guys, it's Alana Joe. Thank you for coming back to watch another one of my videos. So today I wanted to show you how I'm putting together an Easter basket using some inexpensive materials that are that you can find at the dollar store or that you might already have. So here we go. So I'm using some gift wrapping paper I just picked up at the dollar store, and they have some really pretty colors and different designs, so you can get really creative with it. Some other gift wrapping that came with the product that I purchased that I'm going to be using in the gift basket came with a pretty ribbon. You might recognize where that might be from, and some other ribbon that I already had that I just kind of want to use a variety of colors because Easter is colorful and the person that I'm doing this for is my mom, so I want it to be really pretty. And so this is some faux grass or just some gift basket filler that you could find anywhere right now. And then of course your choice of basket. This was really inexpensive, so I'm just gonna go with this, and it's really bright and pretty. Oh, and you're gonna need some sharp scissors because when we go to cut our fishtails on a ribbon, we want a really clean cut so it's pretty. Okay, so here I'm just positioning my gift wrapping paper and just kind of laying them out where the corners are all opposite so that when I put it into the gift basket, they're kind of flared out and just kind of gives the basket a little more of a full look. So when you're cutting your ribbon, you want to make sure your scissors are sharp, and all I do to get my fishtails are just fold the ends and then just cut a diagonal line from the outsides towards the middle. So in this next part, my basket had a little bit of wicker that was poking out. So to fix that, I just used a fine grit sandpaper and just sanded it just a little bit until it was smooth, or at least until it wasn't poking anymore. So then lastly, I am applying my ribbon and just positioning it into how I think it looks pretty. And that is the completed basket look with all the items that I selected out for my gift basket. So when you go to cut your ribbon, you need a nice sharp scissors so you're able to get that clean fishtail look, that clean fishtail cut.